Hi everyone, my name is Chris, and I'd like to welcome you to Ultimate Photoshop Training, where I take you from beginner to pro in Photoshop. I'm super excited you've bought this course and you're starting your Photoshop journey with me. A little bit about myself. I'm a professional web designer and I run my own design studio. I'm also an experienced online instructor. To date, I've taught more than 60,000 students from all over the world how to use Photoshop. I'm passionate about teaching, and I care a lot about you, my students. I want you to have the best possible learning experience. On the course itself, it's especially great for beginners because its difficulty is progressive. I assume you haven't used Photoshop at all. Intermediate and advanced users will learn a lot too, especially tips that optimize their workflow. But they'll have to skip a few chapters ahead. If you're an intermediate or advanced learner, be sure to check out my curriculum to see if this course is a good fit for you. So what do I actually teach you? Quite a lot. We go through various topics. For example, here are some screenshots that show some end results. You learn how to work with layers like a pro, retouch photos, optimize your workflow, master selections. You'll also pick up how to repair and improve your images, remove skin issues, design a business card. We'll create an app icon, a cute monster, a flat illustration, and I'm just scratching the surface. Another thing that's especially great about this course, in order to provide the best possible experience for you, I've decided to get some help from my friend Mark, who's the narrator for this course. Mark handles the audio and I'm the content expert. So I'm creating all the lessons, updating the course and answering all your questions. He's providing fantastic audio with a perfect British accent.
Hello there, I'm Mark Rise. As Chris just said, I'll be covering the audio for this entire course. My studios are based in the UK, and I'm quite a well-known British voice actor and TV presenter. In my free time, I like to work on fun projects as well, like helping Chris with this course. We're excited to get going, and I hope you are too.
One final thing before we dive into it. I'm really committed to providing a fun and amazing experience for you in this course. To do that, I answer all your questions in the Q&A section on a regular basis, and I pay close attention to your ratings and comments. If at any point you feel this course is less than a 5-star rating, please let me know and I'll do my best to improve it. Another way to get feedback in this course is by sharing your work with other students. This can be a private one-on-one experience where you deal with me directly, but my community of students is filled with passionate people that love to help out. Share your work with them and see how you're doing. Everybody is supportive and you'll get a lot of constructive feedback. Okay, with that out of the way, let's get started with your Photoshop journey.